Hey guys, this is Brandon back with another great video. Um, in this video I'm going to show you another great site that I came across called swagbucks.com, and I'll put the link in the description box. But this is another great way that you can make some extra money, right from home on your smartphone or your laptop, desktop computer. And guys, if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with new videos on a daily and weekly basis on how to make extra money working from home, whether you want to replace your part-time or full-time income and become financially free. These videos are going to be for you guys. Now in this video, Swagbucks, it's not going to make you rich, but you can make some pretty good money doing it. I already created an account just to show you guys how this works. And again, I'll put the link in the description box. But I'm going to go ahead and log in because I have an account. And on this site, you can make about maybe an extra $100 to $200 a month. Not a lot of money, but again, who wouldn't like the extra $100 to $200 a month? Probably could replace 1 or 2 of your bills. So on this site, you can pretty much get paid to do a lot of different things. One of the things you can do to get paid, you see this little search box up here. If you type in, I don't know, any word you can think of. I'm just going to type in opportunity. And I'm going to click enter. Okay, so usually you have to play around with this on a daily basis, the little search box right here. But if you type in a word and you just, fill out like a robot security question, they'll give you anywhere from, I believe, 4 to like 15 swag bucks. And it'll be a box right here. So, this word didn't trigger it. But you can play around. You can type in any word you want. Usually when you search the web for just about anything, they'll, give you the little box and you can earn swag box just from, searching in a phrase or word in the search box. 100 swag bucks is equal to $1. I have right here 1,070 swag bucks, so that's about $10.70. So that's one of the ways you can get paid, is just by searching the web. I'm going to show you guys some more ways to earn. You can shop and get cash back. I'm going to go ahead and click the shop tab. If you guys don't know how cash back works, basically, say you're shopping at Walmart, and on this site, say if Walmart gives you 2% cash back, that means if you spend $100 at Walmart, you're going to get $2 back. So you're really spending $98. Pretty cool concept. You can see some of the stores here. Walmart, wow. So Walmart gives you 11% cash back. That is a lot, guys. So if you spend $100 at Walmart, you can get $11 back. So you're only, spending $89. 1% cash back on eBay. If you like sneakers or shoes, you have 1% cash back on Foot Locker. Vistaprint. You need business cards, flyers for your business. 5% cash back. Macy's, 5% cash back. So you can just browse these. There's tons of stores where you can get cash back. Let me go back to the home tab. Another way to earn, guys, is by taking a daily poll. Just simply by answering a simple question on a daily basis. That easy. I'm going to go to answer daily poll. And today's daily poll say, Peeps marshmallows are a popular treat available around Easter. Are you a fan of them? I've never heard of them. And when you take these daily poll, guys, There's no right or wrong answers. You can choose anything and you'll earn a swag back for it. So I'm going to click I've never had Peeps. There's no right or wrong answer. You can choose anything. And you see, I earned 1 swag buck. Let me refresh it. I might have already took it. I didn't see this. I was supposed to earn a swag buck for it. Okay, so I might not have taken. I might have already taken it. Okay. Or you know what happened? If you don't get a swag buck for it, either you already took the poll, or the time has passed. I think they give you like 8 to 12 hours to take the poll. Or sometimes you may have to wait like 5 minutes for the update. So that may be the case. Some other ways you can earn swag bucks is, downloading apps. They'll give you swag bucks just from downloading apps, guys. Signing up for offers. This coupon.com. If you go to the site, sign up, they'll give you 50 swag bucks. If you sign up for Postmates or deliver with Postmates, they'll give you 8,000 swag bucks. If you order from Postmates, they'll give you 1,600 swag bucks. So just going to site, signing up for the sites, they'll give you swag bucks. And going back to the daily poll, I have taken it today, so that's why I didn't earn that 1 swag buck. But you will get the, 1 swag buck for taking the daily poll. Some other ways to earn is just simply, watching short videos. And this is a lot of different categories, guys, where you can watch videos. There's a lot of different ways to earn on this website, guys. I'm going to go to, I don't know. There's a category I like. I'm just going to go to sports. You can go all the categories if you want. It doesn't matter. And it'll show how much swag backs they give you before you watch the video. So this one, they're going to give you 1 swag buck for watching 15 videos. But here's the thing, which is 18 minutes long. All these 15 videos combined equals 18 minutes. But after watching 30 seconds of the video, you can skip it and still earn that swag bucks. So instead of watching 18 minutes for all 15 videos, you can simply just watch 30 seconds or even less than that of each video, and then you'll still earn that dollar. So you don't have to watch all 18 minutes. You can watch about 20 seconds. I think 15, 20 seconds, and they'll give you the credit. Another way to earn is to refer people. They'll give you $3, I think. I don't refer many people in here, guys. I just created this to show you how to make extra money. Created this account to show you how to make extra money. But they'll give you 100 swag bucks for each person you refer that adds the swag button. And the swag button is just simply a button you'll get on top of your Google Chrome browser, which allows you to search the web or whatnot. It's free to use, but they'll give you 100 swag bucks for every person you refer for free. So, your referral link will be right here. You'll just copy it and you just send it out to people, social media, offline or whatever you want to do. So that's pretty cool. Definitely take advantage of that. And another cool thing about it, they'll give you a daily goal. So the first goal is to hit 30 swag bucks, and they'll give you a bonus of 3. And the next goal is to hit 88 swag bucks, they give you a bonus of 9. So a bonus of 12 swag bucks. And they also have like daily winning streaks. If you hit the daily goal for 7 days straight, you earn an extra 25 and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. So again, guys, this is another way to make some extra money. Simply by doing some pretty easy things, watching videos, searching the web, referring people for free. And this website is 100% free, guys. You don't have to pay anything. Again, this will not make you rich. You know, you can make an extra $100 to $200 a month doing it. And again, guys, stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and please stay tuned to a ton more videos on how you can make some extra money working from home.